Hi everyone, welcome back in our English online class on 24th of July 2020 with me, Miss Ruth. So, how are you today? I do hope that you are in a very good condition with your family around you so you can enjoy God's blessing. Today we are going to talk deeper about IELTS reading with table completion section. So, what is a table completion section in IELTS reading task? We will check it out. So, table completion and IELTS reading task. Table completion means you are going to complete the table based on the information that you can find in the reading text. Here, you will be provided with an incomplete table that paraphrases information given in the reading text. The information in the table may be organized differently from the way in which it appears in the text. For example, it may be ordered chronologically or by order of time instead of or in order of importance. Okay, next is some important key points in table completion section. Number one, you must answer the questions with words taken from the text. Number two, you must not exceed the word limit. So you have to really pay attention to the instruction given. It may be in only one word or two words or even three words or a number. So you have to really pay attention what is asked in the instruction. Number three, questions usually follow the order of the text, so it will help you a little bit in finishing the table completion section. Number four, usually you must make a grammatically correct sentence. This may require altering a word from the text to make it fit grammatically. For instance, if the text is written in plural form, but the question sentence to complete it is in singular form, so you will have to write the noun from the text in singular form on your answer sheet. Number five, then the last one, this type of question can usually be completed quite quickly, and you should do so you can have more time in doing the other questions in the test. We have some approaches in doing table completion section. The first one, spend 1 or 2 minutes looking at the table and especially any headings to get an idea of what information you will be searching for when you do your skim read. Number two, skim the text within 3 minutes. It's quite efficient to find the keywords of the important information to fill in the blanks. Number three, read the instructions carefully so you know the maximum number of words you can write. Remember to always check the instruction given. Number four, read the first question and establish a keyword. Remember, a keyword to search for in the text. Number five, locate the keyword or synonym in the text. Then, look for the correct answer. It should be somewhere close to the keyword in the same sentence. And the last one, repeat this strategy with other questions, starting from the place where you got the last answer, as most answers occur sequentially. So let's try this together. Here we have a text about the best cities in the world, and we also have a table with some blanks in it. In the first column, it is some cities names, London, Sydney, and Paris. And the next column, it is talking about overall position in survey. Remember, because this is position, we are not talking about only numbers, but we are going to have the context of position in it. The next column is perceived advantages. So it is going to talk about some positive aspects of the cities. And the last column is perceived disadvantages. So it is going to be about negative sides of the city. Okay, we will start first with London. If you skim the text, you will find that each city is described clearly in each different paragraph. And for London itself, we can find it easily in the second paragraph. For number one, overall position in survey for London City. It is clearly written here in the text in the first line of the second paragraph. In third place was London. So it's clearly that London was in the third position. It is the answer for number one. The answer for number 2, talking about perceived advantages. The first advantage for London is that it is more well known than the other cities. And the second one, if you can find there in the second paragraph, that London has a very good situation, as a very good opportunity for doing the business. So number 2, we can put business uh, to be there in the second blank. And the third blank is perceived disadvantages. It is talking about the negative aspect of London. In the second paragraph, it can be found that London was very expensive. Okay, it was a very expensive place to live. So you can put the word expensive in blank number 3. Okay, the second city is Sydney. And for number 4, the keyword here is the word resident in the perceived advantages. And if you look at the text once more, you will find the word inhabitants as the synonym of residents. And you will also find the word friendliest before the inhabitants word as the best word to describe how nice the residents are in Sydney. And you can put the word friendliest for blank number 4. And for blank number 5, which is still in the perceived advantages column, skim the text once more and you will find that Sydney has the nicest climate among those 3 cities. So you can put the word climate in blank number 5 as the correct answer. And the last city is Paris. Here we can see in the text that Paris is described clearly in the 4th paragraph of the text. So for blank number 6, it is talking about position of the survey. We can see that Paris was at the top of the list. So it means that Paris was the first number, has the first position in the survey. Next is blank number 7, which is the advantage of Paris. We can see in the text that Paris has interesting places than the other cities. So it is more interesting also than the other cities. And the last one, blank number 8, on the other hand, Paris has a lot of traffic. So this is the way how to do the table completion in IELTS section. Dream big, stay positive, work hard, and enjoy the journey. This is how we can be a successful person. So whatever happens in our lives, do not give up easily. Always dream big, always stay positive, always work hard, and always enjoy the journey. That's all our IELTS reading table completion section for today. Enjoy your online English home learning. Stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to wear a mask. God bless you. Bye.